We all know if we start heating milk, within few minutes, the milk start to come out from the vessel which we use to heat the milk. But if we heat a water in vessel, we don't see the water out of the vessel. Then why milk alone comes out of the vessel while we heat it? If you know the reason before seeing this video, then comment below. And the actual reason for it is, it contains 80% of water and balance will be fat molecule. At the time of heating, the fat molecule will not dissolve in water, so it forms a foam above layer of the milk and not allow the vapor to come out. So this is the actual reason why milk comes out of the vessel when we heat it. We all seen Tesla company's logo. If we come to big and famous company's logo, there will be a meaning in it, right? Then what Tesla company's logo represent? Do you know it before? Then comment below. And now the Tesla company's logo, nothing but it's a cross section of an electric motor. Cool, right? Okay, let's move on next. It's quite interesting about Elon Musk. During his SpaceX rocket launch, Elon Musk made his very own Tesla car into space and still it's orbiting around the world. Do you know how Elon Musk Boring Company came to his mind? If you came to know about it, you may go behind your thoughts. Yeah, when he is stuck in traffic, he thought of building enough traffic tunnels which may bring a full stop to traffic problem. And after that, quite interesting about him is, he started tweeting that traffic is driving me nuts. I'm going to build a tunnel boring machine and just started digging. And however after, he named his company The Boring Company. And however after that, he tweeted again that he going to do this. And this is an interesting fact about the impulsive venture, The Boring Company. So if you like to participate in swimming competition, you think that you need to know swimming, but don't worry. Without knowing swimming also, you can participate in swimming competition. Yes, if you watch this video till the end, you may guess what actually I'm trying to say. Very funny, right? But guys, the actual fact behind this video is, it's not a world swimming championship. It's a popular show telecast in Japan. So if you thought that you can also participate in swimming championship without knowing swimming, then please erase it from your mind. And why they conducting Paralympics? Because to make disabled person also achieve in their lives. If you ask which is the biggest sport event after Olympics, then it is Paralympics. So 2021 Tokyo Paralympics conducted in this Monday, India showed their thug what it was. On that Monday event alone, India got 2 gold medals, 2 silver, 1 bronze. In that, Sumit Antal, in javelin throw, he placed gold medal for India by throwing 68.55 meters. Through this, he has set the world record. But before it, he is a world championship wrestler before he lost his left leg below the knee in a bike accident in 2015. Antal became a para-athlete in 2017 and tasted success very soon. Avani Lahara, she also placed gold medal for India. The gold medal which she got was very special because Avani Lahara is India's first individual Olympics gold medalist. But before it, the saddest part of her life is, she met with sustained spinal cord injury in a car accident in 2012. Through her self-confidence, even after that severe injury, 5 years later, she picked up rifle. Now she succeeded. The person who you see on the screen is KB Lam. Before COVID-19, he has worked in a factory, but due to pandemic, he became jobless. So after that, he started a TikTok account named KB Lam. In that, he started uploading funny videos. At his starting, views for his video is very less. But even though, without giving up, he continues to upload video regularly on his TikTok account. All of a sudden, his videos become viral. The type of video he upload in his TikTok account is, if people upload videos like making work simple as very tough, he will alter it and show tough works into simple one. For example, you just have a look on his video. Through this video, I'm not just trying to convey that if you don't have any work, just go and start a TikTok account. Actually, I mean this video is, if you become jobless, don't waste your time. Keep on do something which you're really interested. Sure, you will be succeeding. The person who you see on the screen is KB Lam. Before COVID-19, he has worked in a factory, but due to pandemic, he became jobless. So after that, he started a TikTok account named KB Lam. In that, he started uploading funny videos. At his starting, views for his video is very less. But even though, without giving up, he continues to upload video regularly on his TikTok account. All of a sudden, his videos become viral. The type of video he upload in his TikTok account is, if people upload videos like making work simple as very tough, he will alter it and show tough works into simple one. For example, you just have a look on his video. Through this video, I'm not just trying to convey that if you don't have any work, just go and start a TikTok account. Actually, I mean this video is, if you become jobless, don't waste your time. Keep on do something which you're really interested. Sure, you will be succeeding. The old man you see on the screen has been caught by police and he was taken to court. Why he has taken to court? Because he violated speed limit in school zone area. When judge asked about it to that old man, what the old man said was, I am 96-year-old, cannot drive in high speed and I also not drive in high speed. This is the thing he said. But after few seconds, he unable to control his emotion and started saying the truth that I will not drive often. To take my son to doctor office, I went on that speed. Why? Because his son has cancer. After hearing that, when judge asked what's the age of your son, for that 96-year-old dad said that his son is 64-year-old. Even the old man age is 96, but still he running for his family. After seeing the love and responsibility of that 96-year-old dad, the judge dismissed the case on him.
I'm 96 years. I was going to the blood work for my boy. He's handicapped.
You are a good man. You are a good man. Your case is dismissed.
Domino's Pizza in Russia, to make everyone buy pizza in their company, for 1 month they started a marketing campaign. In that marketing campaign, what they said was, those who have their company's logo as tattoo can get their 100 pizza for free for 100 years. But Domino's company, instead of running that campaign for 1 month, they have ended within 5 days. If you ask why, then the reason for it is, after that announcement given by Domino's Pizza, within 5 days, more than 350 people have tattoo of Domino's Pizza logo on their body. So because of it, instead of creating paid customer base, they will be creating huge customer base, those who buy their pizza for free. So they have quit this campaign, which they cannot die, with a certificate of 381 pizza for free for those loyal participants who have participated within 5 days. So please share your comment on this marketing campaign, and to believe most of us seen this video already and enjoyed that funny step by that kid, but most of us don't know after seeing what this particular kid made this viral dance step. Comment below if you know already what's make this kid more excited. This kid came to a stadium where Miami Marlins, a major baseball league team, plays in Florida. There, to surprise their fans, they have fan cam moment. On that particular match, when cameraman spotted that particular kid for fan cam moment, after seeing his face on big screen of that particular stadium, he became more excited and started his viral dance funny step movement, which become viral. SIM card. We all know about SIM card, but most of us don't know the full form of SIM card. And the full form of SIM card is Subscriber Identity Module, or we can say it as Subscriber Identification Module. Interesting fact number 2. Sure, we all noticed the cut at one top of SIM card. They why cutting it? Because at the initial stage, SIM card shape is rectangle. While inserting the SIM card in mobile, many customers, without knowing the correct position, they insert the SIM card wrongly and returning the SIM card to company by saying it's not working. So company decide to give a mark on SIM card so that the customer inserts SIM card with the right position. So they started cutting every SIM top at one side. Interesting fact number 3. Whenever we remove a SIM card, I'm sure once in our life we get thought about it. What the thought is, does SIM card contain gold? And the answer for it is yes, SIM card contain gold. And to get 1 gram of gold, we need 1000 SIM card. But to extract that gold, it needs too many chemical process. And for that chemical extraction process, the expense is more than we get from gold. So to see more interesting fact, Tesla car company owner Elon Musk last Thursday in AA meeting, he announced the model of bot humanoid robot which they have going to launch in 2022, and that robot can carry 45 pounds, lift 150 pounds, and its weight is 125 pounds, and it can run up to 5 miles per hour. They have used similar technology which they have used in Tesla car to design the bot humanoid robot. And why they started to do this project? Because in Tesla production company, even every machineries are automated, but some repeated work need to be done by human. If they do repeat work daily, will be bored. So to do the small work instructed by a human, they have started it. If this robot comes to sale, will you buy, and what are the instructions you will give to it? Comment below. And in this video, you have seen a bot robot dancing clip, but actually it's not a robot. A human wearing a robot suit and dance like a robot. To all football fans, this is going to be sad news. The thing is, from international football, Lionel Messi has retired. So for his retirement, they have conducted a small farewell. During the time of farewell, Lionel Messi, while the time of his speech, becomes emotional and started crying. So to clean his tears, at that time he used a tissue paper, and that tissue paper has taken to sale by a person in farewell, and that particular tissue went for $1 million, and according to Indian rupees, its value is 7.4 crores. Sure, no one will forget him. For international football as well as Messi fans, that day is a very sad day, and we all love you, Messi. The lady who you see see on the screen with the placard is Nicole Smith Ludwig. You may ask what she doing with this placard. She stands at the top of the world's tallest building Burj Khalifa, accurately 823 meters away from land. If we stand at the tip of the world's largest building, due to fear itself, we will be getting heart attack. What she doing at this height is to take ad shoots for Dubai Airline Emirates company. So to take this ad shoot, Emirates company need an adventurer and skydiver. So they selected Nicole. So for this ad, the company made Nicole stand on top of Burj Khalifa by wearing their company crew uniform. This ad fully shot in drone. Even though they follow all safety protocols, to stand on the top of world, we need separate guts. So to appreciate this lady's courage, comment below.